According to Chinese media outlets, China has successfully engineered new type of bird-like drone, small falcon that can achieve flight through flapping wings and has potential in fields like ecological monitoring and environment protection. The Ukrainian Defense Intelligence released footage capturing the moment of the drone attack on the Russian military ship Sergei Kotov. The attacks were conducted using Ukrainian uncrewed surface vessels, resulting in the destruction of the Russian patrol ship. Russia has showcased its assembly line for Shahed-type suicide drones. Images released shows assembly stage of the drone's gliders without their propulsion engines or avionics installed. These drones are capable of carrying a warhead weighing up to 40 kilograms with range of approximately 1,000 kilometers. North Korea called the ongoing South Korean-U.S. military drills a plot to invade the country, as it threatened to take unspecified responsible military steps. In response, South Korea Defense Ministry said it is a regular, defensive training and will respond to any provocations during the drills.